All right, Ryan joining us now. I think it's funny that the last nice day of the year happens to be the last day of the year, sending us out on a good note tomorrow.
Yeah, we're going to go out on a pretty good note tomorrow, and for any New Year's Eve plans, we're in good shape. But shortly after that, we've got our next storm moving in for Wednesday. So here's a look at what fell today. Close to an inch of rain in Freiburg, about 7/10 of an inch of rain in Portland, about a ½ inch in Bangor, a little bit less down east, but you did get a few downpours this afternoon. Most of the steady rain now lifting up into New Brunswick, still some showers over the county. We do have some areas of fog, which have been dense, but those will be fading away over the next few hours. 49 right now in Bangor. It's 50 in Calais and Wiscasset. 44 the temperature right now in Freiburg. There is some dry air off to the west, and that will be ours for tomorrow. But the next system will be quickly moving in late tomorrow night into Wednesday. It's not very cold out ahead of the storm, so most of us will see rain, but there will be some cold air in the mountains, enough to produce accumulating snow there where they need it after the rain today. So if you're stepping out this evening, we'll start to clear things out. There still could be some patches of fog through 9 or 10 o'clock. Low temperatures tonight, not all that chilly. Low to mid 30s first thing tomorrow morning. And I think we have a pretty nice day tomorrow in most of central and southern Maine with a mostly sunny sky. A little bit more cloud cover through the central highlands and far north, but all in all, a quiet day coming up tomorrow. This is 6 o'clock tomorrow evening, and at that point we're still dry, and temperatures through the evening won't drop a whole lot. By midnight tomorrow night, as we're bringing in the new year, we'll be in the 30s, maybe even close to 40 on parts of the coastline. And you can see the beginning of our next system starting to come up from the south. So after midnight tomorrow night, precipitation will spread in, and it will be mostly rain outside of the mountains. But in the mountains, especially with some elevation, this will be a pretty good accumulating snow, with the steadiest falling Wednesday morning, and then we'll just have some showers that continue Wednesday afternoon with temperatures right around 40 in most spots outside of the mountains. But in the mountains, it will be a bit colder. And that's where the snow will begin to pile up. I think the Presidential Range, and then from about Saddleback and Sugarloaf to the northeast, there may be some mountaintops that get 6 inches or more of snow. Down in the valleys, it'll be tougher to accumulate, and there may even be some rain that mixes in. So only 1 to 3 inches of snow from Freiburg through the Oxford Hills up to around Route 2. And then outside of there, it is going to be mostly rain that falls out of this system. So on Thursday, the system kind of hangs out to our northeast. It'll be windy with a westerly wind gusting up to 30 miles per hour and some snowflakes still falling in the mountains. And then the cold settles in for Friday and the weekend, and it's likely going to stay around for a while. The beginning of January looks to be kind of classic winter around here, with temperatures below average and maybe some chances for snow too. Seas tomorrow will be running 4 to 6 feet with a light southwest wind. So tomorrow's the warmest day, probably for a while. We'll get into the mid 40s with lots of sunshine. You're fine for New Year's Eve plans, but after midnight tomorrow night, rain will move in, mixing with snow up in the mountains. Snow showers continue in the mountains on Thursday, and it'll be windy with some gusts to about 30 miles per hour, and then cold for the weekend and likely cold all of next week as it looks right now too.
Yeah. You don't always get a New Year's Eve, though, where you don't have to totally bundle up.
We're timing this out pretty well. It'll be pretty nice, actually.
Thanks for that.
Yeah,
All right,
you're
Ryan.
welcome. You're
Thanks.
welcome.